Hi, today in front of me Nokia C32 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ring and notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications, you should slide to the left side these dots on notification volume panel. To do it by another way, because you should just unmute this volume panel, because with the help when you will mute the ring and notification volume, you will mute also the ringtones. But if you want to stay with the ringtones and to mute on the notifications, you should scroll down to the default notification sound and switch your currently sound just to none, then just tap to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.